rebalance any investment portfolio and why it is necessary to do so. Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will elaborate on this. Ramalingam, the screen is yours.
You have, let us say, for example, I'm using 70-30 as an example, right? You have 70% of your portfolio in equity, 30% in fixed income. Now, market is crashing. Market has corrected only by 5%. I have to rebalance my portfolio, not necessary. Only when there is a sizable dislocation, 70-30 has become 60-40 or 80-20, then do it. It has become 75-25, 65-35. Let us not worry about it. Leave it as such. Only when there is a sizable dislocation, we have to do it. To do that, there are two ways to do it. One is withdraw from debt or equity to reinvest to restore that 70-30. When the market is down, you withdraw from debt so that it becomes again 70-30. When the market is up, equity has overgrown. So withdraw a portion of equity and put it in debt. This is how we do it. Right. In 2020, during market crash, we have asked our investors to invest, withdraw from debt and put more money in equity. In 2021, we asked our investors to exit some portion of equity and put it in debt. One is to withdraw and reinvest. When you withdraw and reinvest, there is an exit load. There is also tax liability. So to avoid that, when we are doing the review, when you are doing a mid-year review or annual review, what we will be doing is diverting your future inflows from equity to debt, debt to equity. That way, if you are doing 1 lakh SIP, 70,000 SIP in equity, 30,000 in debt is what you will be doing generally. Because market is overgrowing, we would say was doing 70,000 SIP in debt, 30,000 SIP only in equity. That way, when you are investing more money in debt, your overgrown equity exposure would have compensated. 70-30 will be again restored by doing it. So what you have to invest is 100% is what you have to do it and invest 70 in equity, 30 in debt. How you are restoring it when there's a sizable dislocation, either withdraw and reinvest or redirecting your SIPs. Redirecting your SIP is possible when there is small dislocation, 10%, 12% dislocation, we can do. Suppose market is down by 30%, 40%, then withdrawing and reinvesting is what the most suitable option for investors. Right? So rebalancing, you can do it by withdrawing and reinvesting, but it will have tax implications. You can also redirect it to SIPs. That is also another way to do it.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.